Shalom, shalom, family. Welcome to another episode of Our Israel Lives. Okay, guys, so I'm excited about our drink series. I have a theory that even with changes in the things that you drink, removing sugary drinks can actually have a positive impact on your health. So I'm introducing my drink series. We'll be making healthy sodas. We'll be making juicing. We'll be doing juices. We'll be doing smoothies and other just delicious things that I learned to make in Africa. We're going to do wanjo. We're going to do tamarind. We're going to do a lot of good, healthy, amazing drinks. So today, I am going to show you how to make a healthy ginger ale, okay? So, guys, you are going to have to invest in your health. So, with all that being said, I invested in a very good juicer. It's the Nama juicer. If you're interested in the things that I use, there'll be a link in the description where you can actually get the exact things that I'm using. So I'm using a Nama to juice everything that's going in my ginger ale. And then I'm using a soda, I'm using a soda stream to actually make the soda, guys. So not only is this healthy, it does save us a lot of money. Me and my husband did the calculations once, and it really did save us a lot of money. So now I'm doing a little bit of a variation, but I usually do 3 lemons and 3 limes. So I didn't have enough lemons, so I'm doing 4 limes and 2 lemons. They're really nice size lemon, and a nice amount of ginger. Okay, this is how we're going to make our ginger ale. So I'm going to cut this up real quick. I do like to cut my things up. I'm going to cut this up, and then we'll come back and we'll start making our ginger ale. Okay, guys, so we have everything cut up. The ginger, you want to, cut it up small because it's a more coarse fruit or root. And then the lemons and limes, you don't have to cut it. Actually, you don't have to cut some fruit in here, but I like to cut my fruit because I want my machines to last long, okay? We're going to go and turn the juicer on. So, feed it in. Now this is the flavoring for the ginger ale, okay? When I do three and 3 plus the ginger, I usually get about 16 ounces. And on this, it'll tell you, on the machine, it'll tell you how many ounces you have. So I'm right under 6 ounces. So it's gonna yield me about 6 ounces. And this is the jar that I keep my, my ginger ale in, or my flavoring, okay? And it's got a beautiful juice. Hope you can see that. So I think we got about as much juice as we can get. Usually I tip it a little bit because it's usually some extra. And guys, it's that simple. We have our ginger ale flavoring. So I keep mine in the refrigerator, okay? So basically, This is the first step to your ginger ale. And I just keep this in my refrigerator. So now we're going to make our soda. So let me move this out of the way. Okay guys, so now it's time to make our ginger ale, okay? So this is my soda stream. If you purchase this and you really use it, you will have no regrets. But here's the bottle for the soda stream, and it tells you where to fill the water. And the water is already cold. I use already cold water, and I use filtered water, reverse osmosis. So this is super, super healthy. So basically what we do on the soda stream, you lift this back and you twist. You twist this on, okay? And I usually do about 4 to 6 pumps. To get it nice and fizzy. I like mine really fizzy. Okay, that's gonna be really nice and fizzy, guys. So you lift this up, and you can see how bubbly it is, right? So you unscrew this. And guys, I only have to make the ginger ale syrup maybe 3 times a month, not much at all, but here we go. Look how fizzy. I don't know if you can really see, but I want you to see how fizzy this is. Okay, and you can make the ginger ale as strong as you want. You shake it, add your ginger ale, and I don't require sweet, so I usually do a couple of little squeezes of agave. 1, 2, nothing. 1, 2. You sweeten it how you want to. You stir it. And guys, you have a healthy soda. So, let's taste it. Good. Once you start making this yourself, if you like ginger ale, sometime I'll do an apple soda. Maybe I have some apple juice or leftover juice from me juicing. I may put that into some sparkling water. You can just play with it. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you try it, how it tastes in the comment section. Thank you all, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. That's how I continue to bring you content. So thank you again. Until next time, Shalom.